Hey guys, it's Eric here, and today's topic is real estate. What is going on? What is this? What is happening? I'm nervous, I'm excited, and I'm moving into new territory. Cryptocurrency and the newest cutting edge technologies. I've been doing real estate investing for 9 years now, and it's my foundation. And I'm not stopping, but I want to be part of the technological revolution that's happening all around us. I'm going to use the resources I've built up to invest into these new markets and analyze the investment strategy and technology to maximize growth. Easier said than done though, because these fields are complicated, speculative, and completely new to me. You can join me on my journey, and I really hope you do, because it's going to be a special one. So what is crypto? Well, it's really just a form of currency. Starting 5,000 years ago and slowly updating from grain to coinage to paper money, currency is money in any form used as a way of trading for goods and services. We're most familiar with our own currency, the US dollar. There's the euro, the yen, peso, and so on. But nobody wants to handle cash anymore, especially now during COVID. Every industry is digitizing. All forms of money are based on the public's trust in the currency. And we now see trust growing rapidly in crypto as major corporations invest. PayPal's getting into cryptocurrency. JP Morgan has got involved with their own commercial crypto coin. The train's leaving the station, and before it gets moving too fast, we have to jump on. It's not too late, and we don't have to be experts to be passengers on the train. So come on, hit that like and subscribe button, and let's climb aboard. Why do I keep doing train analogies? What the? What is going on? Cryptocurrency investing doesn't match up to how I analyze real estate deals. Typically, I want to know what the price of an asset is and what kind of income it generates, which allows me to see what kind of cash-on-cash return it offers. Then I do my best to analyze how the income and expenses will change over a period of time. With real estate, I have a lot of control over the outcome. Cryptocurrency is a whole new ballgame that doesn't have income in the same way and is a more speculative valuation process. I'm not going to be a master in blockchain overnight, and we don't have to in order to invest a portion of our money. I typically achieve a 25 to 50% return in a given year investing in real estate, which is a great return. However, I'm not diversified, and I want to put a portion of my money into more liquid assets like cryptocurrency. Liquidity means easy access to the funds. In real estate, the only way to get your money is by selling, which can take 3 to 6 months, or by refinancing and getting a new, bigger loan, thus putting cash in your bank account, which can take 1 to 4 months. But for stocks and crypto, you can cash out in a few business days. I've learned a lot about why quick access to your money is important. It's not easy to predict expenses while investing in real estate, so it's important to have cash reserves. A good ratio is 20% of your net worth liquid to protect against emergencies, like COVID making it hard for tenants to pay rent. If I'm worth 4 million, then I should have 800,000 spread out in stocks, crypto, and a savings account. I'm currently selling 2 of my apartment buildings to accomplish this. So if I'm getting a 25 to 50% in real estate per year, what kind of return can I get in cryptocurrency? The real answer is I am not sure. I could easily lose money because of how speculative the market is. Or I could get 100% in a month. Smart investing means not putting all your money in a risky basket. I'm starting with $10,000 right now until I sell one of my apartment buildings, and then I'll probably invest more, especially once I become more familiar with what the individual companies do specifically. Right now, I've got the broad strokes, and I still need to understand more fine print. But to be honest with you, I've seen enough. I want in. Because one thing I do understand is that it seems ready to jump up in value because of widespread acceptance. In fact, while creating this video, there was a logistical issue to buy the crypto, and it delayed me 24 hours. The value jumped up 13% overnight. Ouch. But I'm not trying to be an overnight stock trader, and I'm investing more mid and long term. It's important not to get frustrated with timing the market perfectly. I'm going to invest $10,000 in multiple cryptocurrencies right now, but before I do, I want to share with you briefly what I learned about crypto to give myself a framework for this experiment. All great stories begin with a great character. Satoshi Nakamoto. We don't even know if he's a real person. It could be a group of people that made up the name as an alias. Nonetheless, Satoshi created Bitcoin, a form of cryptocurrency, by implementing the first blockchain technology. Whoa. Blockchain, cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, what are these terms? Let's go back to the void. Whew. Let me explain by keeping it as simple as I understand it. Remember, I'm new to this space as well, and it's a little bit mind-numbing. Blockchain is a foundational technology for cryptocurrency, like what concrete is for building a real estate structure. It's using forms of cryptography, which is a way of securing information to keep a ledger of public information. A ledger is a file that records transactions with the flow of money in and out. And don't worry right now about understanding everything about blockchain. I don't either, and it's not necessary to get involved. But it's basically the ones and the zeros, the technology that's used to make cryptocurrency possible. Cryptocurrency is the structure that's being created by blockchain. It's a form of decentralized finance, or DeFi as it's been nicknamed. It's a way of trading money digitally without having a centralized governmental figure. And finally, Bitcoin was the pioneer cryptocurrency, and now there's 7,000 other altcoins or types of cryptocurrency that have followed their lead. After our Great Recession of 2008, where our banks were bailed out, Satoshi saw a solution with cryptocurrency as a tool for everyone to use and not rely on centralized government. It's especially important right now as our countries move into shaky, unknown economic territory with huge debt. But the tricky part is figuring out what problem this technology is going to solve directly or indirectly, and the tangible ways it will be implemented. I'm starting to see more and more articles about implementation of blockchain. A Polish city is integrating a company named Ethereum's blockchain for emergency services. And oh boy is Ethereum interesting. You gotta watch Vice's Inside the Cryptocurrency Revolution. I'll link it in the description. It follows Vitalik Buterin, who's a 26-year-old super programmer known for co-founding Ethereum. He sure seems like the next edition of Elon Musk. Countries are fawning after him like college basketball scouts wanted LeBron James. First step though, where do I buy it? There are a lot of different brokerage houses, and I did research based on fees, variety of cryptocurrency choices, ease of interface, time frame to buy and sell, and reputation. Ultimately, Coinbase and eToro were at the top of my list, and I chose Coinbase because it had the edge on customer reviews and ease of use. It took me about 10 minutes to set up, and then I had to wait until the funds transferred. It was super easy and a really streamlined process. It's November 30th, 2020 when I'm buying in, and now I need to choose which of the hundreds of available cryptocurrencies I'm going to invest in, and how much of the 10,000 I'm going to spend on each. After researching the popular up-and-coming cryptos, I've landed on 4 separate companies to divvy it out: Ethereum, XRP, Chainlink, and Bitcoin. How did I land on them? There's a few reasons. They are a few of the more established cryptos, and since I'm not an expert on blockchain and these unique smaller companies, I'm lowering my risk. They're also the companies I was able to do the most research on and uncover tidbits of credibility from other companies that strategically work with them, as well as having founders that have trust in the community. As I was researching these various companies, I ran into a roadblock. I did not have the knowledge to verify and understand the true value these companies bring to the table. Despite that, I'm still buying in. I'm putting the bulk of the money, $8,000, into Ethereum. Why, you might ask? Because it felt good to me. I'm not an expert, and I'm willing to take the risk because this is all just so speculative. So sometimes you just have to go by feel. They are the most actively used blockchain in the world. I have found practical use cases, and its founder, Vitalik Buterin, is on the cutting edge of this technology. Microsoft, JP Morgan Chase, and Intel are a few of the corporations who have adopted Ethereum's blockchain technology. They have a feature called smart contracts that allows developers to customize their own functionality. Ethereum is the main well I'm going to send my coin into. Then I'm putting $500 into XRP, which is the cryptocurrency developed by Ripple Labs Incorporated. They have a real-time settlement system to exchange a combination of standard currencies and cryptocurrencies with extremely low fees. Ripple doesn't use blockchain, which threw me for a loop when I first learned that info. They have their own proprietary technology, and they are not only a currency, but also a platform that allows people to create their own currency. Third is Chainlink. I'm putting $500 into that company as well. They provide real-world data to smart contracts for Ethereum and other companies. They seem to add a lot of value to the smart contracts that have practical use cases. Finally, $500 into Bitcoin, and I'm putting it there because Bitcoin's cool, and I like its founder. You are allowed to purchase a fractional interest in a unit of crypto. If Bitcoin goes up in value, my portion goes up based on the percent increase. I paid about 1.5% in fees, and right after purchase, it was fascinating to watch my portfolio's value fluctuate in price immediately. I am so used to real estate investing and not seeing movement for months. It's been an interesting journey trying to do a crash course in cryptocurrency. I was thinking I'd be able to analyze this technology more in depth, and I discovered that it's very complicated and hard to grasp the true value of each individual company. For now, dipping my feet in the water and getting a sense of the market as a whole feels okay as a starting place. I'm planning on putting in another 40,000 once I gain more insights. It's really fun playing in this world though. Technology just feels special and like we can be connected to make some meaningful, positive change to this world. Right now when we need it the most. Hopefully cryptocurrency and blockchain has the ability to make that positive change. If you're enjoying these videos, hit that like and subscribe button so that the YouTube algorithm can work its magic. I appreciate your support, and I'll see you next time. Peace. Ah.